Books and their authors, January to June 2021. Number 1 is Vahana Masterclass is written by Alfredo Covelli. Second, India's 21-year taste is written by R. Kaushik. बेसिकली इसमें भारत ने ऑस्ट्रेलिया को ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ही हराया, यह उस टेस्ट मैच की हिस्टोरिक विन के ऊपर लिखी हुई किताब है. थर्ड इज राइट अंडर योर नोज इज रिटन बाय आर गिरिधरन. फोर्थ, मेकिंग ऑफ अ जनरल अ हिमालयन इको इज रिटन बाय लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल कोसाम हिमालय सिंह. मोदी इंडिया कॉलिंग 2021, a coffee table book which was launched on 16th प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस. आप सभी हमें कमेंट में बताएं प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस हम कब मनाते हैं. द पॉपुलेशन मिथ, इस्लाम, फैमिली प्लानिंग एंड पॉलिटिक्स इन इंडिया इज रिटन बाय फॉर्मर चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर S.Y. Qureshi. A very important question. Number 7th is Unscripted Conversation on Life and Cinema is written by Vidhu Vinod Chopra. 10th, Lessons for a Post-Pandemic World is written by Fareed Zakaria. Gaugings Eastwards of Buddhist monk and revolutionaries in China is written by Romila Thapar. Manohar Parrikar Off the Record is written by a senior journalist woman, Sudha Prabhu. Unfinished is written by Priyanka Chopra. Basically ये उनकी ही autobiography है. 12th is Race With Me is written by Andre D. Grace. The Little Book of Encouragement is written by Dalai Lama. Yes Man, The Untold Story of Rana Kapoor is written by Pawan Singh Lal. Beautiful Things is written by Hunter Biden. Hunter Biden is a son of Joe Biden. आप हमें बताएं जो बाइडेन कौन है. Whereabouts is written by Jhumpa Lahiri. 1857. The Sword of Mastan is written by Vinit Vajpayee. Turn Around India 2020 is written by R.P. Gupta. Kamala's Way is written by Dan Moran. The Truths We Hold, Superheroes Are Everywhere is written by Kamala Harris. The Terrible, Horrible, Very Bad, Good News is written by Meghna Pant. Star Struck, Confession of a TV Executive is written by Peter Mukherjee. राष्ट्र प्रथम 82 वर्षों की स्वर्णिम गाथा is published by CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force. Agriculture Act 2020 is written by A.K. Rajan. He is a former judge of Madras High Court. Stories I Must Tell is written by Kabir Bedi. Because India Comes First is written by Ram Madhav. The Last Queen is written by Chitra Banerjee. This book is bestseller book is #MeToo is written by Karan Puri. By Many a Happy Accident is written by Hamid Ansari, a very important book. Maverick Masiha is a biography of N.T. Rama Roy is written by Ramesh Kandula. A Forgotten Ambassador in Syria is written by N.S. Vinod. A Time Outside This Time is written by Amitabh Kumar. The Good Girls, An Ordinary Killing is written by Sonia Falore. The Nutmeg Crush is written by Amitav Ghosh. My Struggle and Life My Life and Struggle is an autobiography of Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Escaped is written by Danish and Ruhi Khan. Escaped, true story of Indian fugitive in London. My Experiments with Silence, written by Samir Soni. Bringing Governments and People Closer, written by M. Ramachandran. Bride of the Forest, the untold story of Yayati's daughter, written by Madhvi S. Mahadevan. Down Under the Dome, written by Swati Pandey, collaboration with Archida Mukherjee. Prince with Paintbrush, written by basically the story of Raja Ravi Verma, written by Sudha Tharoor Srinivasan. Banj, Incomplete Life of Complete Women, written by Susmita Mukherjee. My Life in Full, Work, Family and Our Future, written by Indra Nooyi. Karuna Nidhi, A Life, written by A.S. Paneerselvan. Dynasty of Democracy, the untold story of Smriti Irani's film, written by Anant Vijay. The Green Queens of India, released by IFS Association. Bangi, released by CM श्री शिवराज सिंह चौहान. आप हमें कमेंट में बताइए कहाँ के सीएम हैं. द मिस्ट्री ऑफ द पारसी लॉयर, written by Shravani Vasu. Advantage India, the story of Indian tennis, written by Anandya Dutt. India, a scamster born every minute, written by Singdha Poonam. Believe, What Life and Cricket Taught Me, written by Suresh Raina. The Christmas Pig is written by J.K. Rowling. Odisha Itihas, written by Dr. Hari Krishna Mehta. Agriculture in India is written by Dr. Mohan Kanda. Manohar Parrikar, Brilliant Mind, Simple Life, written by Nitin Gokhale. Supari Palan, written by Sailendra Joshi. What's Up With Me, written by Tiska Chopra. Sanatan is written by Saran Kumar Limble. This book is also Saraswati Samman Book 2020. Names of the Women, written by Jeet Thail. Wild and Willful is written by Neha Sinha. The Chief Witness is written by Saira Gul. Patliputra Ki Samragi is written by Jai Ram Ramesh. Fiercely Female is written by Sandeep Misra. It's a Wonderful Life is written by Ruskin Bond. My Joys and Sorrows is written by Krishna Saxena. Habba Khatun is written by Kajal Suri. The Seven Sins of Being a Mother is written by Tahira Kashyap. Home in the World is written by Amritya Sen. Beyond Here and Other Poems is written by Vishnu Pada Sethi. 1232 km, The Long Journey Home is written by Vinod Kapuri. The Lover Boy of Bahawalpur is written by Rahul Pandita. Tiananmen Square is written by Vijay Gokhale. At Night, All Blood is Black, written by David Diop. इंटरनेशनल बुकर प्राइज भी मिला है इस बुक को. लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ ट्रूथ, written by सलमान रुशदी. नेहरू, तिब्बत एंड चाइना, written by अवतार सिंह. इंडिया एंड एशियन जियोपॉलिटिक्स, द पास्ट एंड प्रेजेंट, written by शिव शंकर मोनन. Sikkim is written by Prit Mohan Singh Malik. Conspiracy to Kill Rajiv Gandhi is written by K. Raghuthaman. Life in the Clock Tower Valley is written by Sakur Rathore. Buddha in Gandhara is written by Sunita Dwivedi. Elephant is written by Paul Pickering. Elephant in the Womb is written by Kalika. The Bench is written by Meghna Marshall. The Living Mountain is written by Amitabh Ghosh. The Table of the Horse is written by Yashaswini Chandra. Will is written by Will Smith. Actor Will Smith. The Race of My Life is written by Milkha Singh. Sach Kahun To is an autobiography of Neena Gupta. And the last is Battle Ready for 21st Century is written by Lieutenant General A.K. Singh and Narendra Kumar. So thank you so much, viewer, for watching this video. If you like this video, then share with your family, friends and your loved ones. If you think this video is useful for you all, do subscribe my channel and show your support. Thank you so much.